Hi, it's D&D here. Let's learn C programming. Today, Logics, Part 2. We talk about if else and do while. I will continue on my previous program, the bank account. First, let me talk about logics. Selections is a kind of a logics. In computers, we have three kinds of selections constructs: optionals, alternatives, and conditionals. Today we're gonna take a look at a sample of optionals and conditionals. The optionals is like if, a condition, and a sequence. The conditions is what you want the computer to meet, and the sequence is what you want the computer to do. And we also have if else is for the rest of what the conditions not gonna meet. So for example, if like pizza is 1, so it's gonna print out I like pizza. And then if like pizza is not equal to 1, that means that else is gonna be print out I hate pizzas. So let's work through on my program. So I have the means here. I gonna print out the select menus. So 1 for checking, 2 for saving, and 6 for assist. So and then we're gonna scan app the selects. Let's see, I want to select 1, and then we're gonna first the keyboard. First the keyboard, that means first the buffers. We're gonna go into the functions in a couple of next video, but for now just know that's the first keyboard. It's gonna going to erase your input until it hits the new line, and then we hit the if statement, and that's gonna check the conditions that selects equal to 1. So we select 1 here, so it's gonna go into this one, and we're gonna print out the name, and then we enter the name, and then we set the check account. That means the double to 700, and then we're gonna print out the username and account and the amount of money from the checking, and then we set the done equal to 0. Done in here is a flag of the do while loop. So the do while loop is the iterations, and we have three kinds of the iterations. The first one is the while loop, second one is the do while, and the last is the for. Now we use the do while, so we're gonna look at the syntax of the do while. It's gonna do and then the sequence. The sequence is what the computer wants to do, and then the while is gonna ask the conditions in here until it's correct. That means it's gonna go all. First thing it's gonna do the sequence, and then while and checks the condition. If the condition is correct, it's gonna go out. Or it's not correct, it's gonna go back and do it again. So look at the program. So it says done to 0. In computers we have 0, that means false, and everything else including 1 is true. So I use a while in here, telling that the computer to check the conditions done is not equal to is not done. The explanation mark it here is a shortcut telling that it mean the negative, the not done. That means done equal to 0. So the do and the while go together. So first thing, as I know, it's gonna print out the do while. That means print out this one, and then it's gonna go to the if, and if this gonna print out everything here, and then says done to 0. So when we have done to 0, we're gonna check if the conditions cannot. So done is 0. Is this gonna repeat? Yes, because this condition is not met. So it's gonna go back and then gonna print out again. So how do we assist? So let's type 6 to see the program to assist. So we go to the conditions, if else or else if. Else if telling us if the select is equal to 1 is not correct. So it's gonna check the second conditions, that means select equal to 2. Is this correct? No. So it's gonna go to the third one, that means if L is equal to 6. So this one is correct. So it's gonna go into this block, and then it's gonna set done to 1. That means the program is gonna assist because the condition is true, because done now is equal to 1, it's not equal to 0. So it's gonna return the program, and that's done. So the program will not gonna exit until we hit the number 6, right? So let's do again and select this, the different options. So 1, and then we're gonna enter the name like John, and then we're gonna print out checking, and it's gonna ask the menus again, and then we're gonna set the saving, and then we're gonna print out the saving. So now it's gonna go back again. So what happened if we type the selection of 3? It's not gonna print out anything. I mean, it's gonna go back to the menus because none of the conditions here are met. It's 1, 2, and 6 is not met. So gonna go back to the menus, and it's gonna ask you for another option again. So 5 is gonna have the same output because of the not correct conditions. And if you want to assist, just press 6 and set done to 0. That is gonna end our program. So thank you for watching. See you later.